mo sila, amon na lawak kanila po. Malakuna tayo. Malakuna. Kaya tuwan na po diyan.
Jane.
The search and rescue operation is ongoing, but what I can say is the ship is not overloaded. It has a maximum passenger capacity of 350, and the actual actual passengers on board, as declared by the master, is 332. The Coast Guard has immediately acted on it as soon as we received the distress call from the Sea Marshal on board. Lahat po ng search and rescue assets sa area ng Zamboanga and Basilan are involved. From the AFP, the Navy, the Maritime Police, the local government units, yung Provincial Disaster Risk Management Office ng Basilan and Zamboanga are also involved. The commercial shipping have also sent their ships. So lahat po doon ngayon ay tulong-tulong. It has become a whole of nation search and rescue operations.